Very good morning. Well, I am here, Rajneesh. Here, today is my lecture number 44th. Today is my 44th lecture number, and today is the 38th of the July 2020. Here, today is a very helpful class for the reading writing. Today is a very helpful class for the reading writing, especially class 8th, class 9th, and the class 10th. In the class 8th, in class 9th, and in the class 10th. Remember, the first question you are getting from your school and from your board, that will be remain as a comprehension. It is common for the class 8, class 9, and the class 10. Comprehension is also known as paragraph. It is also known as passage. More and less, these three words in the English comprehension, paragraph and the passage, is nothing. It is simply a relationship with reader and your given text matter. Again, the comprehension is nothing. It is simply a relationship between the text and the reader. You will comprehend much when you will be more understandable about the text. When you will be more familiar and understandable with the text, when you know about the better English, better concept, better spelling. So, the comprehension is nothing again. This is a relationship between the text and your reader. This is one of the very costliest question in your all examination. Even there is a very few question in the class 8, class 9, and the class 10th. It generally, the question number 1 and the 2, it costing minimum marks 10 and the maximum 18. It goes up to the 18 sometime. In some of the examination, even in the class 8, 9th and the 10th, the second question will be of the comprehension too. And first question is the as usual. This is set and guaranteed for the comprehension. So this is a very costly affair. But very few students of your class, especially for the class 8, 9th and the 10th, who give the special attention towards the comprehension, because they are simply neglecting the question number 1 and the 2. They have the dependency on the other boys. I don't know what's the matter. Okay? Because very few students who prefer to understand the comprehension. They feel it take a great deal of time, so it is better to have an answer in the last minute of the examination from my near and dear friends. What will be the answer? A, C. What will be the answer of the C, third number? D. So you are completely dependent. But here you will understand in the minimum energy how you can get the maximum marks in your assignment, especially for the class 8, 9th and the 10th, for the question number 1 and the question number 2. Here I have written here the S3. S3 is the word. Here for first S stand for scan. This is the first stage. When whatever the text matter, go for the scan. Scan means microscopic study. Go for line by line, text by text. This is called scan. Keep your mind, keep your brain and the eye in a very harmony and understand the maximum. So a scan is nothing, it is simply a stage of the understanding your text. S2, when you understand the text, when your first stage completed, means when the action of the scan completed, you will become here in the second stage, and that is a systemize. Whatever the data through the scan you kept in the mind, is all the information in a system that is called systemize. When the thing is scanned, when the thing is the systemize, means when you studied the text, when you understood and knew the real sense of the text. Now what is the matter? The matter is simply select. Select means simply take your pen and go for the questions of the given there. It may be question in a one word, it may be question of the even a one line, and sometimes in a paragraph writing or in a passage or in a comprehension, you are supposed to give a heading from the use. Here you have to understand one thing. There should not be one word answer of the anything. Suppose that in the text matter you studied the Ram is the eldest son of King Dashrath, and suppose the question is who is the eldest son of the Dashrath? If you will write here Ram, this is a wrong, because there is a caution, means chetawni, no shortcuts. Ram is not a right answer. The right answer will be the Ram is the eldest son of Dashrath. Means you have to write the answer in a sentence mode, no shortcut. Second is, when you studied all the text matter, when you knew the ins and out of the text, and when the text is the well understand, you are in the position of the select. Means the third stage, you apply, give the heading, and apply the heading with the punctuations. If you find the comma suits here, put it comma there. If you feel that if I give here the mark of interrogation, then put it there. If you find no, mark of explanation is the more relevant, more suited, put it there. It's your idea. And third one, text say no common sense. Suppose in the text matter, if the text matter is written like say, like this, whatever I am saying to you, 2 plus 2 is equal to 40. 2 plus 2 is equal to 40. And here the question is, what is the output of 2 plus 2? If you will write there the 4, this is a rule. You have to give your answer with the given data, whatever the text matter. In the text matter, it has given the 2 plus 2 is equal to 40. So 40 will be output of 2 plus 2. Because earlier I warned you, cautioned you, no shortcut answer. So don't apply your common sense. In this way, you will complete your comprehension or passage or paragraph. Again, I am recapping. This is a very important chapter, comprehension. This is suited for the class 8, 9, 10. In generally, the first question and second question is costing maximum by 20, minimum by 18, and sometimes it's maybe after 10. But this is the one of the most neglected question of the books. So here I have introduced one IQ there, one model there, S3, where the S is for the scan that comes in the first stage. Simply go through the traced matter and understand. The second S2 is the systemized second stage. Means when you keep your eyes, when your eyes run over the text matter, it will well set off in your mind and you kept well in your mind second stage. And third one is the select third stage. Here, the caution is there, no shortcut. Means you have to apply no shortcut. There should not be no shortcut of the answer. Suppose in the text matter written, Ram is the eldest son of the Dashrath, and the question is, who is the eldest son of the Dashrath? If you will write simply Ram, this is a wrong answer. You have to give the answer in a sentence. Ram is the eldest son of Dashrath. In this manner you have to write it. Then after heading, punctuations. You have to give it. And then after, in the punctuation, it is, you are free, you are at liberty to add their full stop, question mark, punctuation mark, whatsoever, semicolon, and the text matter. Suppose the text matter, for you are applying the common sense, 2 plus 2 is not equal to 40. You simply wrote there the 4, output of the 2 plus 2 is the 4. This is a wrong. Because you have to give the information whatever you studied, and there must be the validity of the text matter there. Text matter, you have to give the fully accompanied. in the accordance with your text matter. In this way you can finish it. In the meantime, I am very much sure this is a very costly question. Apply it and study it and be safe in your home. Thank you.